Soft scrolling if your hair is dry, breaking, shedding, thinning hair, or not growing. This hair mask will change everything. I use banana, egg, yogurt, honey, carrot oil, glycerin, and vitamin E oil. I and my daughter, our hair become very soft, thicker, shining, and strong from the first use of this hair mask. But wait, if you do not blend and strain it the right way, this mask can run your wash day. Okay, so watch to the end and see how you are going to do it and how you can do to apply it, because if you don't stay, every one single mistake can change everything again for you. Today I am sharing my deep repairing hair mask for dry, damaging, slow growing hair. This hair mask is perfect for dry hair, breaking, thinning hair, dull hair, weak edges. It's deep moisturizing strands and boosting faster hair growth. This hair mask is combined protein, moisture plus vitamins, which is the secret of the longest hair growing. It will help you grow your hair longer, thicker, healthy, shining, and less breaking. So stay tuned and we make everything, because I'm going to break down of each ingredient, the benefit of each ingredient. I'm going to break it down for you guys, okay? And also I will definitely going to apply it to my daughter, so please stay tuned and we do it together. So right now I put my banana inside. I put one banana inside. So when I put the banana, let's check and see the benefits of the banana. Banana is deep moisturizing dry hair and softening roof and strands and adding shiny. It's also reducing freezing and preventing hair from breaking. Banana is very good, and also banana is adding more elasticity to your hair, making it more softer. Banana is the one of the secret thing I'm going to tell you. If you are not using it, it's not too late. Now this is 2026. Let's start doing our hair. Let's start begin. Those who are not taking care of their hair, let's start everything together right now. Right now, when you are watching this video, let's start doing everything right now, because this is the simple steps that you need to take if you want to grow your hair healthy or thicker or shining shining hair. So right now, after put my banana inside, the next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be my egg. I'm going to bring one egg and put inside. So while I'm putting the egg inside, definitely we are going to check and see the benefit of egg also. Okay, egg is also rich in protein. You know it and I know it, which is very good. It's also strengthening weak hair and reducing shedding. Egg is repairing damaging hair. It's improving hair thickness. Egg is very good. If you are someone who doesn't love egg, doing egg treatments, please start doing it now. I know some people doesn't like egg because of the smell or the scent that this egg have, but I bet you immediately when you do all these things, you will not smell, you will not have any scent of it again. Everything is going to go, everything will go. So right now, after I blend it, what you need to do, get your strainer or get your cheesecloth to strain your banana and the egg that you blended at the beginning. So after that, the next thing that you need to do, you have to add your yogurt, because this hair mask is going with yogurt. I'm going to add yogurt inside of it so that to make it more rich and more beneficial for me and my daughter. And I believe that when you also start doing it for the first day, when you start make this mask, you are going to understand what I'm talking about. So right now, yogurt is also conditioning hair deeply. Is natural conditioning deeply your hair. Is very good. It's also improving scalp healthy. Yogurt it will help you to improve your scalp healthy. It will reduce dandruff from your hair. If you have dandruff from your hair and you are using yogurt, is going to reduce it. It's also making hair soft and smooth and adding natural shine to your hair. So right now, after that also, this is my carrot oil. I infuse my carrot oil. Please, if you know that you haven't watched that or that video, please go to my channel and watch the full video over there, how to infuse your carrot oil. This oil also is packed with a lot of benefit and minerals because it's infused with a more powerful oil. So go and watch it if you know that you haven't watched that video. So right now I'm adding 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoon carrot oil. I added inside. Carrot oil is also boosting hair growth and strengthening hair roof. It's also improving thickness to your hair and adding shining. It's rich in vitamin A and vitamin E, which is very good. So right now our next ingredient is going to be glycerin. It will add more moisture into your hair, prevent your hair from dryness. It will make your hair soft, improving elasticity to your hair, reduce breaking. So glycerin is very good. So after adding my glycerin, the next thing you have to mix. While you are doing, try to be mixing it because you need to mix all the ingredients. Let all the ingredients mix to each other, mix very well. So after mixing it also, our next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be honey, because as you guys can see, I just have my honey. Even everything is around there. So I'm going to add honey. When I'm adding, please, if you have honey, you can put inside. If you have glycerin, you can put, but if you also want to get more benefit than both glycerin and honey, you can add it into your routine, to your hair mask. Okay, you can add inside or you can skip. If you don't have glycerin and you have honey, then you can skip glycerin and add honey inside. Okay, so right now honey also is having natural humidity. It's locking moisture into your hair and adding shining. It's softening hair and strengthening hair strands, which is very good, because what we need is, whatever that you do to your hair, you always need the moisture to remain. You want the moisture to remain into your hair. You don't want to lose your hair moisturizer. You want the moisture to remain in your hair. Look at how smooth it is. So right now, after everything, now we haven't finished, because definitely I'm going to add some essential oil. So my people, pardon me, my daughter wants to eat. I know definitely she doesn't want to eat. She also just wants to be mixing something. So I'm giving her food to be making for herself, so that I'm also continue doing my work. So because when we finish, definitely, even when I finish, I have to prepare it before, feed her before she can do what. She can sit down for me to make her hair. So right now, what we need to do, or what I'm going to do, I'm still going to add another. I haven't finished because I will still add some another ingredients inside, but I'm trying to avoid my princess, so that she can be doing her work and I'm also doing my work. So now our next ingredient is going to be vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is one of the powerful oils when it's come for hair repairing, hair damaging hair. And also I'm going to add jasmine oil. Vitamin E oil is repairing damaging hair and improving scalp circulation, reducing spill ends, and promoting healthy hair growth. Vitamin E is very good. If you have damaging hair, please try to be adding it into your routine. Is very powerful. So jasmine essential oil is also improving scalp healthy and adding beautiful fragrance to your hair. It helps relaxing the scalp. Your scalp is going to get more relaxed. So jasmine essential oil is very good. Please, if you are not using it, you can start using those things. Okay, so after add all your ingredients, you have to mix everything very well, and you can get some bottle to pour it inside for easy to apply it, because if you are going to apply when it is opening bowl. But anyway, if you don't have child and you are going to apply for yourself, maybe it can be easier, but when the child, you are going to apply it to the child, I think you should get something bottle like this, or you can just get water bottle to pour it inside for it to make it easier for yourself. Okay, and one thing that I'm going to tell you guys before starting to make this thing to my daughter, Please, if you know that your hair is dirty, you did not wash your hair, try to, even if you have let's say you have a mini braids or mini twist and you are going to do this thing, please try to wash your hair. Make sure your scalp is clean before you apply this hair mask. This hair mask also is not sounding like because you have to open your hair before you can use it. You can still use this hair mask when you have mini braids or mini twists. But if you know that you added essential, like you add some braids into your hair, then avoid it, don't use this hair mask. But if you know that it's only your hair, whatever that you do is you just use your natural hair to plait it, make a cornrow or mini twist or mini braids, then fine, you can use this hair mask. Or after you open it also again, wash it before you're going to apply it. Please make sure to wash your hair very well. When you wash your hair, try to divide your hair. Maybe I don't know how many times that you can divide your hair or your children hair. It can be 4 times or 2 times or 6 times you divide it. Okay, it's up to you, but don't apply it also while the hair is very dry. Okay, the hair dryness, please don't apply it. Always get a spray bottle of water. If you have water, just use water. Or if you have I know water there, you have water, aloe vera helps. If you have aloe vera helps, you can use it, or you just use normal water and be spraying into your hair. Make sure to hydrate your hair. Make sure that your hair get a little bit damp before you apply the hair mask. Don't apply it into the dry scalp or dry hair. It will not help you. Maybe someone may thinking, oh, why this thing is already watering. Yes, I know it's already watering, but definitely you need to damp your hair small before apply this thing if you want benefit. And also, if your scalp is dirty, clean it, wash it before you use it. Don't do it in the dirty hair. So it's very, very good, because this hair mask, the key of using it, or the importance of using it, it will help you to reduce your hair breaking. If you're having itchiness, if your scalp is itching you, it will reduce it. If you have shedding hair, it's going to reduce it. And also, the most important, if you have damaging hair, this hair mask is going to repair your hair. But please, something that I want to tell you guys, mind you people, everything needs patience. Okay, don't say maybe you are just using it today and you want the thing to work like that for you. Natural things is really working, but you have to have the patience from it, because you cannot use it one night and the hair come out being on your waist. You cannot get it. Everything is consistency. Consistency is the key here. What I'm talking that this thing is doing this, is doing that, please, is doing that, because if you have patience, you are doing the consistency, you are going to get the result. But if you are not doing consistency, Charlie, you just need to forget about it. There's nothing that you can get from it, because this hair mask is good for you to use it at least 2 to 3 times, okay, per week. But if you cannot do it that way, but 1 time in a week, you try to do it. If you say quarter, you cannot do it that way, even every week you cannot be making hair mask for once in a week, then at least in a month, we have 4 weeks in a month. Yeah, so you need to do it 2 times in a month, which is very okay. It's okay, 2 times in a month. So try to be doing it that way if you want the result. Consistency is the key. I'm reminding you, consistency is the key. Don't do it and you are expecting it to work overnight for you. Let's say, I don't know, maybe this thing can be happening that, because I still have some videos to post. This video must post maybe next month or middle of the month. Today is what? Today is 5th January 2026. So this is our first treatment of this 2026 I'm doing to my daughter, and after I'm going to make it for myself too. So thank you very much for our loved one, those who support us for us to get to this point. May Allah bless all of you. I wish everyone happy new year and many more years to come. Please, let's start doing our hair. It's not too late. You see, my daughter is sleeping. This girl, immediately when I put my hands into her hair, she always does. Sometimes she's dozing, she will start sleeping, and sometimes also she will make drama if she want to sleep. Now she's sleeping, so it's going to be a little bit difficult for me. But anyway, I'm done. Even I'm done. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate all of you. Bye bye.